Did you know the ostrich is the largest and heaviest bird in the world? But here's the twist. It can't fly. Instead, it uses its powerful legs to run super fast, up to 70 kilometers per hour. That's faster than most cars in the city. And no, ostriches don't really bury their heads in the sand. They just lower them to check their eggs or hide from danger. One ostrich egg can weigh up to 1.5 kilograms. That's about 25 chicken eggs in one. So next time you see an ostrich, remember it's the running champion of the bird world.